Okay guys, so today arm styling, Rumba, as promised. So yeah, so let's say last time we were working on arm styling, we were going more like from mechanical approach, like lift elbow, extend your arm, things like this. So today we're going to come from it from other side a bit. So I wanted to start with something like a Qigong exercise. So yeah, basically the most important thing, the first one, we want to start rotating our spine. Yeah, so we rotate our hips, ribs, shoulders. Yeah, and I want you to feel connection of your arms with the spine and see how your arms react. Good. So yeah, in Qigong we do it very quickly, so like hitting our body. So here we're going to do the same thing, but very, very slowly. Yeah, and yeah, so we start with arms low, then we're going to lift our elbows a bit more, so we have more space, and eventually we're going to bring them in horizontal dimension with keeping that sense of that your spine creating the movement, and then it goes from your shoulder joint into elbow joint into wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First focus on the ribs and shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elbows go with slight delay. Wrist going up the elbows. Little by little increase volume. 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to starting. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So your arms like wrap around your vertical. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, more volume. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and maximum volume. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and at some point we stretch the wrist far away from each other, but maintaining that mechanic. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, let's say with our steps we're going to do Cucaracha. It's going to be side, replace, close, side, replace, close, side, replace, close, and side, replace, close. Arms going to be open. Start from right. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So there is a constant movement with your joints. Constant movement with the shoulders, with the elbows, and the wrists. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First steps. So it's going to be based on sliding doors. We're going to start with right foot back, replace the left foot, right foot diagonally forward, left foot side, replace the right foot, and we're going to go back to left foot. So that's the first one. Then second, same thing, right foot back, replace the left foot, right foot diagonally forward, left foot side, replace, and here we will go through turn. So we swivel to the right, bring left foot forward, turn in to the right, and start over. Yeah, so first we have like basic sliding doors, then 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. And then the common one will return. 4. 1, 2, 3. And again. 2, 3,
What
4.
you are basic.
2, 3, 4.
Deep, deep down, far,
2,
far in.
3, 4.
Is
2,
simply
4.
the fabric and structure of existence itself.
4, 2. And fast. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1. Right, left, right, left, triangle, on the hip, switch, right up, left forward, left side, side. 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go fast. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.